To enable grayscale on a Mac, start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Preferences. This will open a new window with various options to customize your Mac. In the System Preferences window, click on Accessibility. This section contains various features to help users with disabilities, including the option to enable grayscale. Once you are in the Accessibility window, click on Display in the left sidebar. This will display a range of options to customize the display settings. In the Display section, check the box next to Use Grayscale. This will immediately convert your screen to grayscale, removing all colors and displaying only shades of gray. You can also enable grayscale using the keyboard shortcut. To do this, go back to the Accessibility window and click on Keyboard in the left sidebar. Then click on Keyboard Shortcuts and select Accessibility. Here you can set a custom shortcut to toggle grayscale on and off. Enabling grayscale can be useful for several reasons. It can help reduce eye strain, improve focus, and even save battery life on MacBooks. It can also be a useful feature for designers and artists who need to see how their work will look in black and white. To disable grayscale, simply go back to the Display section in the Accessibility window and uncheck the box next to Use Grayscale. Your screen will immediately return to its normal color display. It is also worth noting that you can schedule grayscale to turn on and off at specific times of the day. To do this, go to the System Preferences window and click on Notifications and Focus. Then select Focus and click on Options. Here you can set a custom schedule for grayscale to turn on and off. By following these steps, you can easily enable grayscale on your Mac and customize it to suit your needs.